attending Pacific University in Oregon.
Next year, I will be going to UH Manoa.
I'm gonna attend Linfield College in the fall.
I'm going to Colorado College next year.
I'll be going to UH Hilo.
Going to Smith College in Massachusetts.
When I go into UH Hilo, I plan to major in marine biology.
I'm planning on studying sociology and forensic science.
And I plan on majoring in nursing.
I plan to major in business.
Well, I'm gonna major in environmental engineering.
I chose education because becoming a teacher was something I always wanted to do.
When I was little, I used to always watch those like CSI shows. So I really I always wanted to be one of like them on TV.
But recently, I discovered that what I really want to do is work in the immersion schools. So the plan is to double major in education and Hawaiian language.
I always wanted to come back home. That's why I wanted to do environmental engineering, because I know Hawaii wants to be sustainable, fully sustainable in 40 years, and I feel like that's a good job opportunity.
Over the past 4 years, like being here and doing cultural activities and being a part of cultural events showed me that we're still trying to revive our culture and our language. And I think it's important to instill the values, like the Hawaiian values, into the younger generations. So I kind of felt like that was my kuleana.
My tutu, I'm very close to her, and she had a fall. So that put her into life care center, and she stayed there for 3 months. And then she came home, she ended up living with us, and I became like her primary caregiver. And that really like opened my eyes.
Marine biology just it touched upon my love for science and research. And as I actually looked into the subject, there's actually different parts of it that needs my attention or the attention of everybody else, such as the ocean acidification or different other factors that were affecting the ocean negatively.
So it was really interesting, and it made me want to like know more and know why. And
in 10 years, I see myself working in the immersion schools.
Hopefully, I see myself at the Nike headquarters in Oregon, maybe living in Oregon because I like the environment. It kind of reminds me of Hawaii, just a little.
Hopefully I can be working as a forensic scientist or technician, like out in the field and trying to solve crimes.
I see myself living back here on the Big Island. I want to work at North Hawaii Community Hospital in Waimea, and maybe I would like to specialize in geriatric nursing.
Kamehameha Schools is a big help because of all the resources that they provide for us, like all the classes, the teachers, even the counseling center over here.
Just what the school provides, the teachers, the resources. I never actually thought about it until I came to Kamehameha School about my future. And Kamehameha School gave me that future.
Mrs. Ching was a huge help in getting me to fill out college applications, and she was the one who introduced me to go to College Horizons.
I think it's an easier transition, especially coming from Kamehameha Schools, and especially like the rigor of this school really prepares you.
Like they really have good tools and stuff, like Navians. It showed me like what's actually out there.
And I think colleges know our school and they see it. And like if you're applying for a college and you have good grades and you're from Kamehameha Schools, like colleges will notice you.
So it really prepared me for the real world, I would say. I've matured a lot.
I'm actually excited about graduating because I think I'm ready, I'm prepared. Kamehameha prepared me well.
We know who we are and we know that we're grounded here. And after I graduate, I know that I won't be wondering who I want to be in the world because I know that I am a Hawaiian and it is my kuleana to perpetuate the culture.
Oh.